stop playing. Let me beat that. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you beat that.
Look around, give you my last name.
Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'.
Look around, give you my last name.
Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you stop playing.
Look around, give you my last name.
Alright, so jumping straight in, my fault that there's no intro, you guys. When I started filming my intro, Autumn started wilding, okay? She canceled it. There was no intro. She was just like, you already been in there doing that hair way too long. No intro. So, sorry, you guys. But jumping straight in, I am taking my hair from Celie hair. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I've worked with their brand before. I am going to be taking 3 bundles, but I actually ended up only using 2. And as you guys can see, these bundles are long, okay? They went down all the way to my hips, okay? They was long. So, look at how gorgeous. Oof. Yes, they are a 613 Brazilian straight hair. So like I said, I did show you guys 3 bundles, but I only ended up using 2 and a frontal. All of the links to this hair, of course, will always be in the description box. So this is what the frontal is looking like. She's dense, okay? I had to pluck for the gods. So moving on to the color, I am taking Adore Wild Cherry. So keep in mind that I am using white fluorescent lights. So in the intro, and like as you guys gonna see later, the hair looked a bright red, but it was more of like a wild cherry color. It was more like a deeper red. It wasn't as bright as it looks in the camera, so keep that in mind. So we are doing the watercolor method. As you guys can see, this is a quick ass baddie on a budget. You guys be wanting baddie on a budget, okay? This is baddie on a motherfucking budget, okay? $10 is all I use to accomplish this hair. So yeah, and you're just gonna go ahead and put that in some water, some warm water, and dunk in your frontal and your dye. I did some brave shit. I was like, I don't even know if my shit is gonna turn the lace red, but I just did a YOLO moment. But anyway, I ended up not staining the lace, okay? It did not stain the lace. It was lit. So yeah, you guys see me do the watercolor method mad times. So yeah, I just did that real quick, and you guys, this literally took 15 minutes tops. So you just want to make sure that all the, like every time you add more dye, you want it to be like the same amount of dye every time. My bundles ended up coming out a lighter color because I was running out of dye. So you always want to probably get like 3 bottles, not 2. But I don't know why I keep getting 2. Like, I don't learn. But anyway, get 3 bottles to be on the safe side. But yeah, my bundles ended up coming out lighter. So I had to go to the beauty supply store and get another damn bottle because you want them to be all even. But yeah, it's a little process, but just try to put the same amount of dye each and every time. So as you guys can see, this is what the bundles came out looking like, and they are gorgeous. They're nice and even. And do you see that color? You guys, I never had red hair in my life, so this is about to be fucking lit. Like, I was dumb hype. When your bundles come out popping, yes, you got to do a little dance because bitch, you did that. So now moving to my beauty room, I am going to be showing you guys how I install it really quick. As you guys can see, I went ahead and made the wig off camera. I have a how to make a wig video down in my description box. If you guys want to learn how to make a wig in 30 minutes, yes bitch, 30 minutes, let's get it. So, oof, girl, this wig is so fucking fiery. Like, she's lit. I'm ready. I'm ready. Like, this is when the true prima donna comes out, okay? You gotta hype yourself up, because if you don't hype yourself up, bitch, who will, okay? So this is me telling me that it's about to be lit, bitch, period. We did that, yes. And as you guys can see, this hair is mad long. I am chopping it off. No, because I'm a mom with a 2-year-old, so I be sweating. It's a hot... What is going on with my birds? Yo! Damn, y'all look crazy in this clip right here. Y'all look like, y'all ever seen Ace Ventura? Yo. Anyways, the wig is on. I wanted to show you guys how I cut the lace. Yo, I bet you Winter's fucking with the bird. Hold on. Y'all don't understand. Like, my cat literally be tormenting the bird that we have. And he's like a little Tweety bird. Like, he be calling out for us every time she's even by his cage. He be like, yo, get the cat. Like, so my fault if you guys can hear my bird wilding, but Winter is bothering it right now. But anyway, moving on to my wig. As you guys can see, I'm cutting off the lace, and I like to cut the lace when it's on my head. That way I could customize it. And yes, you guys can see that I'm starting to cut in the wig because I do not want it all the way down to my eyebrow. So you want to customize it to your head. And I'm also like doing like a jagged line just so that way it melts into the skin even better. You guys know I'm taking my Got To Be Free spray, and that's my quick and easy method on how I install my wigs. You guys, I do not wear my wigs for days at a time. Literally, like, I'll take this off the next day. So I'm not trying to do no crazy install. I do want to try the bald cap method, like just for a video, but like I wouldn't really go out with my wigs like that. I don't know, not that I'm not confident, it's just I be really hot and they give me a headache. So, but I really love them at the same time, and that's why I always like still play, you know. So yeah, anyway, now I am melting down my wig, and as you guys can see, I'm taking the blow dryer with the Got To Be free spray, and I'm using something. This is a razor that I'm using just to press down on the lace so it can melt. That's how you make it melt, okay, into the skin. I was so happy doing this hair, you guys. Like I said before, I never had red hair, so this was really different for me. It's so crazy because I've dyed my hair a million fucking colors and I never ever did red. So this was like super like, who is she? You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to tell you guys, like, practice makes perfect. I am not a pro at this whatsoever, you guys. I'm still learning every single day how to install my wigs and how to make them look better and better. I literally just try to do the best that I can, honestly, and just make them, you know, until I feel like it looks decent. But yeah, like I said, practice makes perfect. I'm still practicing with y'all. Like I said, I'm not a pro, so you know, we're all learning together. It's all fun. At the end of the day, it does come off if you fuck it up. If it doesn't work out, girl, take it off, try again the next day. You know what I'm saying? It's a wig. It comes on and off. You can put it on whenever you want to, like, get me? And same thing with makeup. So yeah, I'm also doing my quick little flat iron curls that I do literally all the fucking time, you guys. I'd rather curl my hair with a flat iron than with a curling one, to be honest. I feel like they last a lot longer, and I don't know, I just fuck with the flat iron a lot more. I'm also going in with the razor. That's how I do my layers. So I only do a little bit of layers in the front because I want the like swoops to fall really nice around my face. So yeah, you want to just make it like to where it looks nice on your face shape. If you do not like layers, if you want it long, if you want it darker, lighter, like, you do whatever you want to do, okay? This is why I like getting blonde bundles especially. Also, this hair, you guys, was so nice. Like I told you guys, I only ended up using 2 bundles because I did not want this hair to be mad thick, especially because I was cutting it. So yeah, this hair was really full for being that I only used 2 bundles. Now that I am looking back at the footage, I'm noticing that this frontal does have a lot of like flyaways. So I'm gonna have to run back to my local beauty supply store. I believe they have like this little stick thing that you could use for the flyaways on your wigs. It's like a wig stick. I'm not sure. I never used it before, but like I said, we all learning. I'm gonna get it so that way hopefully I don't have this problem again. But as far as the color though, honey, she's laid, okay? It's actually the next day that I'm doing this voiceover and I still got this wig on my head, okay? I'm thirsty for red, real thirsty. Okay, all right, I'm feeling myself a little bit too much. I really love the length that I cut this as well. Like, if you guys are like, oh my god, it's summer, how the fuck am I wearing a wig? Cut that shit, okay? Make it, if you want to do a bob, like, that's all like summer type wigs that you can do just for inspiration. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Comment down below what video you guys want to see next. I'm out of here.